Hey, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am super excited to be unboxing with you guys today SmartBox Snacks. SmartBox Snacks is exactly what it sounds like. They are smart snacking. They reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in doing an unboxing, and I kicked back to them and said, do you have really great snacks that are high fructose corn syrup free, because I'm fructose intolerant, that are dairy free for my husband? And then I just kind of let them know that we don't let our kids eat a ton of snacks. And they were like, absolutely. So they curated these two boxes and sent them over to me. I do not know what's inside these boxes in particular. I did look up the company, and they focus on healthy snacks being delivered to your home or your office or your party or wherever. They have 7 types of pre-made boxes. They have a family, celebration, surprise, fitness, gluten-free, keto, and vegan. But if you don't fit into one of these 7 options, you can just build your own box. So basically, they can help everybody. So, I don't know, the boxes are 2 different sizes. Oh, I want to read that note. So here are the 2 different sizes. This note says, thank you for the opportunity to work with you. Please enjoy the snacks. We are a snack subscription. You can subscribe at any time, and you can send boxes as gifts, and you can customize boxes. That is very, very cool. So here are 2 different options. Let's just slide this out. Let's go for the big guy. This card says, this is a family box, an assortment of parent and kids snacks. Oh, he said bows and cards can be added to these for gifts. That's cool, like we just saw. That's really cool. Okay, just at first glance, this is excellent. These are all of the snacks that we typically eat and enjoy. Wisp is a new one for us, and this is something that I love about subscription boxes. I would probably never go into a store and buy an entire box of these just to give them a try. But in subscription boxes, they'll send you a couple. You can try. If you love them, you can request more from the box, or you can go to the store and buy them. Pretty good deal. So that's a new one for us. But Skinny Pop is a favorite around here. Veggie straws are a favorite around here. Popcorners are definitely a favorite around here. Made Good Mixed Berry Granola Minis are super cute. That's a new one for us, so that'll be fun to try. Nature's Bakery Fig Bars, Annie's Granola Bars, Pirate's Booty, Z-Bars by Cliff, Apple Pouches. This is all of the stuff my family normally consumes, and there is a lot in this box. So this is a family box. There is just, here's a Good Kind bar, Annie's Cheddar Snacks, I mean, fruit bar, like the fruit strips in here. This is all, what is this? Made Good makes granola bars also. So I've got 2 brands I want to try, the Made Good and the Wisp, that are new for me. This is a great time to like change your eating. I had mentioned on my Instagram, if you've been following, that I am getting chemicals out of the house. So getting fresh snacks in is something we did 2019 into 2020 and really focusing on fresh snacks. 2020, 2021, I am focusing on getting chemicals out. So having something like this sit means I don't have to worry about this anymore. This is done. Okay, let's see what's in there. This has Late July cheddar cheese snacks. A couple of those. Those are really good. Go Wild nut and veggie protein mix. This is a new one for me. That looks really good. Righteous Fella craft jerky. Baby Blues barbecue. Oh, that's, well, it's gonna be perfect for my husband. I'm hoping I can steal it. That sounds really good. So this must be an adult box. This is great. Stacy's Pitas. We're huge fans of Stacy's Pitas. This is a new snack brand, Sahal. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oh, Lily's dark chocolate covered caramels look so good. Those look so good. Gosh. There's another one of the same brands of almond snacks. Skinny Pop veggie straws. Those are great. So this is the smaller box we're opening here. Raw Rev Glow Double Chocolate Brownie Batter Bar. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wasn't hungry, now I'm starving. Organic superfood almond butter. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is great. This actually has quite good to go. Quite a few brands I haven't heard of, which is exciting because there's another good to go bar. I'm going to get some new stuff because I kind of get tired of eating. Like, I love RX bars, but I eat them every day. So I'm ready for a change. Ready for a change. Lily's salted caramel milk chocolate. So I know I'm like talking about eating healthier and all I'm targeting are all these desserts. That looks super good. Oh, here we go. This is a surprise me theme box, complete with a thank you card and a pink bow. All right, so here you can see there's a thank you card. There is the handwritten note, and then I threw it on the ground, but here is the pink bow that was on top with another handwritten note. So you could send this as a gift. I cannot imagine if right after I had my babies, one of these was delivered to the hospital or even the house. That would have been so nice because I didn't feel real good. I didn't want to eat a bunch and I wanted to eat healthy so my tummy would feel fine. This is brilliant. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Chocolate chip cookie dough. It's like my favorite in the whole wide world. Okay, I am super, super impressed. If you are interested in checking out Smart Snacks, I don't know if they've given me a coupon or not, but I will reach out to them. And if I do, I will put it in the notes below. You can also sign up below. This would make an awesome Valentine's gift. Like, just have it delivered instead of having roses that are gonna die. No offense, I love flowers, but having this delivered instead to the office for your husband or wife or significant other, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, that'd be kind of cool. All right, I'm down with this. Smart Snacks, thank you so, so, so much. We have so many more discovery boxes and playing with subscription boxes coming in, so make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.